Today we talk about how can you disable your recommendations, notifications on your Everand app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just click here on account down here. When you just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, then you click here on notification settings, just click on it here, then you come to next step here, then you click here on notification categories here, you come to next step here, come here to your recommendations, just click in this sign or this color, like you see color, it's gone here, that's mean your recommend, sorry, we will go back, you click in this color here, like you see color, it's gone, that's mean new recommendations here, notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.